Hello dear UPSC aspirants, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Classes Nanded. Guys, one good news for you. UPSC ESC Prelims 2021 timetable released on upsc.government.in. Check dates here. I am putting the link in description. You can download the timetable here also. Union Public Service Commission had released the timetable for UPSC ESC Prelims 2021. The Engineering Services Examination Preliminary 2021 will be conducted on July 18, 2021. Candidates who will appear for the examination can check the timetable on the official site of UPSC on upsc.government.in. So guys, exam is conducted on July 18, 2021. Here you can check the date and time. 18th July 2021, Sunday. Time 10 a.m. to 12 noon. General Studies and Engineering Aptitude Paper, Paper 1, Objectives. 2-hour duration for 200 marks. 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Civil, Mechanical, Electrical, Electronics and Telecommunication. Engineering Discipline Specific Paper, Paper 2, Objective, 3 hours duration for 300 marks. Here you can also see branch codes. 01 for General Studies and Engineering Aptitude Paper, Paper 1. Code 11 for Civil Engineering Paper 2. Code 21 for Mechanical Engineering Paper 2. Code 31 for Electrical Engineering Paper 2, 41 for Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Paper 2. The Stage 1 examination will be conducted in 2 shifts. The first shift will be conducted from 10 a.m. to 12 noon and second shift from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. The General Studies and Engineering Aptitude Paper will be conducted in the first shift and Civil, Mechanical, Electrical, Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Discipline Specific Paper in the second shift as per the official timetable. The first paper duration will be for 2 hours and will comprise of 200 marks, and second paper duration will be for 3 hours and will comprise of 300 marks. Candidates who will qualify the preliminary examination will be eligible to appear for the main examination followed by interview. This recruitment drive will fill up 215 vacancy in Survey of India Group A Service, Indian Defence Service of Engineers, Indian Naval Armament Service, Indian Skill Development Service, Central Engineering Service, Road, Central Power Engineering Service, Indian Radio Regulatory Service and other services. For more updates, subscribe our channel Inspire Classes Nanded and share this video. Thank you.